Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday, Bunua. God bless you.
It's my birthday, give me money. Yes. Hi guys, welcome to part 2. So in this frame I was doing a happy dance because I found utterly yum and I don't usually see it except that sweet sensation. So we got food, we got drinks, we got cake slices, basically everything we'll be needing in the apartment. So I'm supposed to unpack now and just put the drinks we go inside the fridge. Show you debit that started coco balling come on more but I'm anywhere but staycation I'm shake at this point because why would we spend it's not 66k. I was thinking that you cannot even pass 30k what we bought. While I was sorting out everything we got from the mall, Abi supermarket, the Lamakwe, Chris was trying to figure out how the microwave worked so we could warm our food. So all the edibles I forgot the extension box that I brought, so I'm literally charging here. And my phone is low, so I really can't film right now. I just want to like take a shower, change to my pajamas, and just take a nap till 11 and just wake up to do some work, pray before the baby go. I was just trying to get off the excess glue from my head, and this work is too big, so I'm going to have Grace just let me braid it into two. Guys, so I've been battling with my video. I made a transition video with my makeup and I'm trying to edit it. So this is why I need a camera so that when I am editing on my phone, there's a camera that's filming that, like the process. Should I go if you wake up by this? And cover yourself and I say yeah. What do you want? Yeah, good. I cannot call you now. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. It's my birthday. Give me money. Give me money. Guys, my first birthday gift was from Great.
See us we're everywhere, us eh.
From the WhatsApp.
Oh, sorry, sure.
You show. Delilah. Like the fact that it's pink.
Well.
Is this what I think it is? I think I've seen it online before.
It's possible.
Smells so. It smells like comfort.
It's a floral scent.
Yeah.
I really like floral.
It smells like I don't know what flower to describe, but it has the feeling it's giving. Like this person does not like stress. This person doesn't like this kind of person that is going to pay 30k even if it's outrageous for something. And my sub get error, please. And I have the perfume to prove it. I got cherry too. Oh, it's a cute butterfly. Oh, do I like butterflies? I have a butterfly necklace and one bracelet, but I'll have another one now. This one is different from me. I'll not show you. Give me your own gift. I have knuckle rings. between now. You always wear knuckle. Then
Yeah.
don't
You're not
be
supposed
my
to say my
Yeah. 𝐭𝐭.
𝐻𝐿.
Thank you very much. God bless you, girl. God continue to bless you. Guys, good morning. So, I don't know, I just took a cute picture for Snapchat. See, I have work to do. I don't get no days off simply because it's my birthday. I'm hungry. I think I'm just going to cook because we have some major billing to tackle later today. So let's just keep the spending to a limit. I'm looking homeless. And we bought some stuff yesterday, so let me just check. So maybe we eat bread or make noodles or eat fries or something. I think I should just marinate everything, even if I'm not eating enough. Okay. Like it will retain the flavor. So here we decided to make noodles, and Grace was making noodles. I was going to marinate this for fries later. I was ranting about how on all my birthdays I always just end up getting moody and just cry or just get angry and not do anything. And Grace is a real friend because she just encouraged me by telling me this.
The fact that you're getting older now, I mean, you understand that in a lot of circumstances, life doesn't always go how you plan or how you want it to be.
Yeah.
So you have to make do with what you have at that moment and try to work with it.
Very sausage and where was it? I had a meeting, so I had to move my laptop to this workspace so I could just concentrate on what I was doing. My co-workers were really nice. They sang a happy birthday song for me. So yeah, I was just trying to get some work done because the plan was to go out and I wanted to make sure that I did everything that had to be done before I left the apartment. And I was basically doing DIY here because I forgot my straightener and I just had to make this big straight anyhow. I need to get a flower vase now. Thank you. Get this nice. I think the reason why I was smiling here was because Grace was trying to read the notes and I was trying to hide it from her or something. I don't really remember. I'm gonna go get it, so I can leave the house. One thing about me is I am going to plan and I am going to over plan. Like I had a lot of things that I wanted us to do, but we just have to pick out the most important. Our first stop was our Pro Fragrance NG. I think I'm gonna link it in the bio. I'll be in the description. So we were there to just make custom scents. Grace ended up making a custom perfume oil. So here they were just giving us different things to sniff, figure out our style and what we're going for. I named mine Nemo, by the way. I think the clip of me collecting the final perfume is lost. I'm so sorry. But you guys on Instagram have seen it already. I've been even there. Also smell musk. Next up, we went bowling. You can tell that this is my first time because it was literally a draw between me and Grace. Like I think I could count the number of strikes that I had, and then after this, we went to the restaurant opposite, and we just got some pizza and a drink. And then after this, we went to Beauty by AD to just pick up some things that we bought earlier. Yeah, this view is so breathtaking. I love the sound of the water. I could sleep here. Like I literally did not want to leave. So anytime I come to Beauty by AD, I don't know, this space is just it just busts my brain like as if I'm seeing it for the first time. Anyways, if you want to shop and use my link for 10% off, you can always find the link in the description. Yeah, I'm putting you on to good stuff. You're welcome. That's it for that day. Oh, okay, that's not it. My friend sent me a cake and some other stuff that I can't find the clip of again. So yeah, now that's it for this day. Grace cooked for me on my birthday, so I decided to just leave you one in the kitchen this morning. Bah. Thanks. As usual, I had a meeting in the morning, get some work done. Here, I was trying out what I was going to wear and just like I was using one ear to listen to what they were saying in the meeting, and my the other part of my attention was trying to figure out what to wear because like you guys will see I was trying on this week and then I heard my name in the meeting and I quickly had to just go and run or mute myself. God, please don't let my coworkers see this video. I beg. So my first stop was the dentist to just like do some teeth cleaning, all thanks to my workplace and their HMO. God bless you. Because that thing was so expensive. And then I mean I'm a girl, I'm just a girl, so I have to go to Miniso and get some cute stuff. I made a video showing everything I got from Miniso, but apparently I can't find it. That is a lesson for me that whenever you make a vlog, edit it immediately so you stop getting stories that touch like this. Anyways, after this, I went back home. Oh yeah, here we were looking for makeup for Grace because we were supposed to do makeup. We were supposed to like have a little girls' dinner. So we were just buying some stuff and then we bought food here. I didn't know that there was catastrophe waiting for me at home. And what is the catastrophe, you might ask? I bought a dress the week earlier and they were supposed to deliver it the day before, like the day I landed in Lagos, and apparently they didn't deliver it until the exact day that I needed it. This is Grace wearing the dress, so you can already tell that this is not going to enter one of my thighs. Like I'm a size 12 for the love of God. Grace and I had to go out in the rain, go to ICM, try to find a dress, which we didn't. So we got an umbrella and we started walking up and down. Eventually, we found a boutique in Ireland that was kind enough to sell us a dress. And so me and Grace went down and tried to find clothes and ended up getting this from Posh Apparels. Then the baby's not responding to my calls or my texts about returning the clothes and spend the extra to get this one. Just want to start getting dressed so I can take the job my flower and just enjoy myself if I go back home. Dress. God knows I'm very, very pissed right now. Just trying my best. At least may they sing happy birthday for me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I had to cut the rest of the audio because of copyright issues. Anyways, let me fill you in on what was going on. I was very, very pissed because that vendor really did me dirty. But God will take control. I sure don't want to spoil anybody's business, but you know yourself and you know what you did was not good. Anyways, this VSP lounge. When Grace suggested it, I was like, "Oh, what's it be this?" But he ended up like being pretty alright. There's gonna be a clip like of the whole place. Someone was even getting proposed to. There was another person that was even doing their birthday when we were there. Here we're just talking about how we ordered a bride and the wrong guy came to our front and he was pretending like he was the boat rider and he was trying to mimic the call that I was having with the real rider. Thank God we didn't end up entering it and believing that he was the one. If a guy comes and is like, "Oh, I'm a boat rider," and the description is not matching what's on the app, better ask for ID. Oh. Don't go and enter someone else's car and get kidnapped. Be safe out here, guys. This was our last night, so as soon as we got back, we started packing. So guys, just finished packing. Yourself to carry this bag. Just one of the bags. If it fits inside all of the bags, yeah. Tomorrow. The following day was pretty chill. We were going by train, so it was just like a smooth ride. It was not like that shaking that we saw when we were coming. Just booked our tickets the night before, got to the train station, pew, landing in ABK. And this is going to be a petition to the federal government because what is going on with this road? Do something, I beg. Guys, so I just go home, and the first thing that I did was had to cut the flowers. Already dying. But this is what it looks like. I think I still managed to salvage it with the flower food. Thank you, Vicky. Oh, it's so cute. Like, I feel like people close to me right now, they know that I love butterflies or heart. Like, it's like a heart shape, but it's butterfly shape. So cute. Thank you. Okay. Real looks beauty. What's in this? It's not that bad. Hey! This new year I go carry bag, you know. What that? Classy. She's classy. Thank you. What's this? Sauce cream dressing and perfume oil. Perfume oils. Then this crocs I've always had on my wish list. It's actually very chunky and heavy. It was always to slap somebody. Last but not least, I have It's by Flu in my cart. Oh, it's a 3-piece. So we have the sports bra, we have the shorts, and then we have the what's this? Thanks very much.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yes. B-U-N. Happy birthday. Is it because we said you guys are like